Hello friends, welcome to Rubik's Cube tutorial. This video is about basics of Rubik Cube and I guarantee you, slowly but surely you will learn to solve the Rubik's Cube. But the only thing you need is to subscribe.
Way too caught up in these towns. Tell me that you're not that stupid.
Here we will see the basic outlook to solve the Rubik's Cube. By following first two pictures, we will complete our first layer. First picture describes the cross which we will make, and second picture describes the remaining four corners to fill. Third picture describes the pattern of second layer, and last four pictures describe the way to complete third layer. Okay friends, so we will solve the Rubik Cube in 7 steps which I will teach you in my next 4 videos. And friends, if you are a beginner, then Rubik's Cube is not a game of few steps as you come across YouTube videos. You can take 4 to 5 days which you can easily find it for cube. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel to become a cuber.